Happy Thursday, everyone. Another beautiful blue sky day, and we saw temperatures really getting hot out there. Many folks even pushing close to or reaching those triple digits. We do have a rainy forecast ahead, so we'll take a look at that first. That's going to kind of drive the rest of our weather as well. Of course, all the warmth is brought on by this high pressure system sitting over us right now. This is the place you are going to want to be when we get into this afternoon and for the start of summer tomorrow. Here's what I want to point out. As we move into Friday night and Saturday, we have a front pushing through, and that front is going to make things very comfortable outside. Severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Kent County until 5:15 this evening. That's been issued because we are seeing quite the hail core with this storm. If you remember yesterday, we saw storms up north and storms down south that formed together into a line of thunderstorms, and as you can see, already seeing the same setup for today. The tornado watch has been issued, as you can see behind me, until 11 p.m. this evening, and it is for the areas just to the west of Lubbock. Far western and far eastern South Plains have been getting ample rainfall, so many of you folks are actually seeing some decreases in the drought categories, which is always good news. There was baseball-sized hail reported falling in the Cottle County regions just about an hour and a half ago, and it's going to continue with this storm as well. A lot of folks getting a lot of much needed rain. Again, 84/100ths of an inch in Lubbock, but check out Dimmitt. 2.99 inches of rain, 2.14 in Freona. Our sign showing 109. It was showing 110 degrees earlier today. So very hot out there. That's right. It is a bit of a broken record. The good news is the broken record is not singing triple digits. By 1 a.m. you can see a line starting to form, some heavy rain possible showing up in the Levelland and Littlefield regions. It continues to move through the Lubbock regions. We're really hoping that the northern portions of Lubbock County and southern portions of Hale County can get a little love when it comes to the rain, because that's where the biggest drought is. We are enjoying the pool. We're going to be bringing their dogs out to Broadway, out to Mackenzie Park. Make sure they're not getting overheated. Make sure they're getting plenty of water. Notice we actually brought a mat for Miss Kelby so that she can stay cool, because this pavement will get very hot very quickly. And I'm live at the Airways pool. It opens today at 1 p.m. so make sure to come out. The water is warm and the temperatures are going to be very pleasant.
Well, guys, it is very chilly out here. You are going to want to grab those jackets. It's about 10 to 15 degree drop in temperatures compared to what we were seeing yesterday at this time. So be prepared for the cool temperatures. Bundle up. But by this afternoon, you saw the clouds clearing out. We have sunshine on the way.
Now, meteorologist Heidi Waggoner with KLBK's first warning weather.
Good evening, everyone, and happy Wednesday to you. Another beautiful and cool day across the South Plains with temperatures staying below average and a little more rain in the mix. Taking a look outside, no rain right now here in South Lubbock, but you can see that cloud cover on our KLBK live tower cam. Here's a look at those rain showers again, that line stretching from Turkey all the way down south to Seminole. But again, no severe weather expected for the rest of today. It's going to be a really nice evening. Just keep that umbrella handy. We're watching a few of these storms in the northern portions of Lee County, where it is a little bit stronger activity than what we're seeing in the Morton, Littlefield, and Levelland regions. A closer look shows again the strongest storms really stretching from Post to Seminole, just south of Tahoka at this time, but really no hail in the mix, which is always exciting news. Biggest threats are actually going to be lightning and flooding. So if you see pooling water, remember, turn around, don't drown, and just be prepared for those slick roadways. Here's a look at those temperatures. The rain really impacting our temperatures outside. Amarillo's at 76, 78 in Abilene, 80 here in Lubbock, and 88 in Del Rio, but a stark difference from what we saw a week ago today, with temperatures sitting in the upper 90s in the triple digits. Hourly forecast shows temperatures stay cool and drop into the upper 60s by early tomorrow morning, and your headlines show rain chances will continue. We'll take a look at that first. You can see here again, a few of the storms will fizzle out a little bit later this evening, but there's more overnight and into tomorrow morning, and rain chances on and off are expected throughout the day. So you will want to again keep in mind we are going to be seeing a lot of rain over the next few days, but as mentioned, flooding and lightning are the biggest threats, and really not much to worry about in the form of any other type of severe weather. Finally, taking a look at, of course, your temperatures. It's been cooler all week long, and we take a look at those cooler temperatures. You can see here high temperatures. Thursday, we're looking at 77 degrees. Friday, we're looking at 76 and 77 for your Saturday. After that, unfortunately, the sun comes back out, so that means temperatures start heating up again. And finally, we take a look at tonight. You can see here we are expecting some pretty nice conditions. 65 degrees, mostly cloudy, and a 40% chance of those showers and thunderstorms. And finally, take a look at the blitz forecast for this upcoming Friday. Again, another stark difference in those temperatures, ranging from the low to mid 70s. Kickoff times range from 7 7 to 7:30. And of course, we are going to see some rain chances in the mix, so definitely want to be prepared for some lightning delays. Your 7-day forecast shows those 70s sticking around through the rest of the week and the start of the weekend. But next week, we start to heat up, but not as hot as what we saw last week, which is always exciting news. And as you can see, we are looking at some nice conditions for tomorrow. A little bit hotter than today. 93 degrees will be that high temperature, and not seeing any rain chances for tomorrow. If we take a look at your temperatures, you can see it was a cooler day today, sitting at 86 right now in Lubbock, 82 in Tulia, 82 in Denver City, 85 degrees in Tatum, 91 for the folks in Jayden, and 91 at Lake Ellen Henry. Now, drought monitor, unfortunately, still not looking great. And I know you're thinking to yourself, well, we got a ton of rain this weekend, and we did, but the drought monitor updates every Thursday. So this is as of this past Thursday, still seeing some central counties, including Lubbock, under the extreme drought. The good news is we got a tremendous amount of rain this weekend, and that really helped us out. Here's a look. It's a little cluttered, I know, but we got a lot of rain, so it's exciting. The colors show you the higher areas and amounts. We're looking at 98 of an inch in Lubbock, 1.65 inches in Morton, 2 inches of rain in Denver City, and of course, 2.91 for the folks in Turkey. So many locations getting over 2, almost 3 inches of rain in the forecast over the span of the past 96 hours. And that's really not even including today, because obviously we didn't see too much of a rain chance after the early morning hours this morning. As we take a look at your future track, unfortunately, it does look like we are going to continue to see dry conditions throughout the rest of the work week. So drying out a bit, and that means temperatures are going to be heating up. And you can see that here on your 5-day forecast. We're looking at temperatures getting into the mid-90s by Wednesday, upper 90s on Thursday and Friday, and Saturday back to the mid-90s again. And there will be a good number of triple digits in the mix.